Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Homelander in Mortal Kombat 1 using an easy method. We'll focus on his powerful normal attacks and effective projectiles to control the fight. Blocking is key. Always look for openings after your opponent's moves. Practice simple combos to maximize damage from just a few hits. This approach will help you dominate without complex inputs, making Homelander accessible for everyone. Homelander has several essential special moves that are easy to execute and highly effective. Charge is a fantastic advancing attack, perfect for closing distances quickly. His eye laser provides excellent zoning capabilities, keeping opponents at bay and chipping away at their health. Don't forget ground pound for creating space or launching foes, and air laser for aerial pressure. These moves form the backbone of an easy, yet powerful, playstyle. Building on your basic attacks, simple combos are crucial for maximizing damage. Start with a quick front punch or front kick, then immediately follow up with charge. For a reliable two-hit sequence, after knocking an opponent down, use eye laser to maintain pressure and keep them guessing. Practice blocking your opponent's attacks and then swiftly counter-attacking with your fastest normal. This consistent pressure will overwhelm your adversaries. Effective defense is just as important as offense. Always remember to block low unless your opponent is jumping or using an overhead attack. When your health is critically low, don't hesitate to unleash Homelander's devastating fatal blow to turn the tide of battle. Practice the input for your fatal blow, which is typically both trigger buttons, to ensure quick execution. Staying calm and observing your opponent's patterns will reveal defensive openings.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.